Hi and welcome to this cooking tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make an incredibly delicious orange cake. This cake has a unique taste thanks to the use of a whole seedless sweet orange, skin and all, in the batter. Let's start by preheating the oven to 340 Fahrenheit. Grease the bottom and sides of a 9-inch cake pan with oil. Next, cut the whole orange into small chunks, keeping the skin intact and removing any seeds. Then, add the 3 eggs, sugar, oil, and orange chunks into a blender. Blend these ingredients into a fine mixture. Pour the blended mixture into a large bowl. Sift together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and mix until just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and bake for 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Once the cake is finished baking, allow it to cool completely before serving. Enjoy this amazing orange cake. And there you have it, a super easy and delicious orange cake recipe. The full recipe is in the description below. So don't forget to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.